when I turned it on, doesn't work. Okay. Okay, doesn't work, and I can turn off.
Technology.
Yeah, I think I forgot to change the SD card. But yours is running, there are empty cards, everything fine.
Perfect.
Hot. I know the bikers are every time cooking because the clothes are warm.
Tell me about it.
Yeah. Go, go, go. Whoa. And you will see, you don't see where we drive. Yes, this is the problem I said. Yeah?
Jeez.
Now we come here to the first place. It's steer guard into the compression. And you feel the track is very, very bumpy. Also the brake zones.
Very bumpy.
So, right up here. Your left hand, you have the GB track here. So, going now into T30. Now coming down, direction Hatzenbach corners.
I'd like to do 24-hour racing here.
Yeah, it's fine. So now here into Hatzenbach. Well, tires. We're getting out Hatzenbach from Eichen here. Now we get faster. But now, for example, you are coming here. Do you see where we drive?
I can't see it. Whoa.
And it's going right. And if you drive too fast at this place,
Yeah.
you have no chance to brake.
No
or get
chance.
it wrong. That are the things I mean. So, now Schwebenkreuz here. Sliding here a little bit. It's just indicating the GT3. Why? It's much faster. So, now down, Fuchsböhle. Very nice here. We come now into compression, and then you hit with your hand at the tank, yes? The fuel tank, the compression.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So this is I don't know for us. A lot of guys drive here straight.
Okay.
Also bikers.
Not good.
If this happens, open the corner straight up because you see there's grass and you can drive straight.
Right.
If you brake or try to get the corner, it doesn't work, then you will.
Yeah.
So let's get straight corner here. So exit of Metzgersberg.
20.8,
Yes.
right.
Yeah. And we have 73 corners on it. It's a lot of. I don't know, but he's indicating don't go on the side. Yeah?
Wow.
This is your carousel. So now fast left hand there's here direction highest point. So now we are here. What is the highest point of the airfield?
Right.
So coming into the Nürburgring corner. Double left, Eschbach. Then we are here doing the YouTube corners. Yeah, really.
Lots of people film.
What here happens?
Oh, yeah.
You'll definitely see on YouTube.
Right.
So, now into the ice corner here. So now down direction Pflanzgartenwand.
Nice.
Pflanzgarten 2. And now into Bellofest here. Now here, last section, and then the lift carousel. Into our last corner, this Geigenkopf here, long right-hander.
Whoa.
Back again.
Back again. Thank you. Awesome.
But take care, Brett.
I will. I will. I definitely will.
Now you saw it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's not so easy.
No, far from easy. How many minutes did that take?
I don't know. You can check it